Hello and welcome to Herman Hits the Road. I'm Ads.
And I'm Zoe.
And this is our first trip away since New Year, Christmas and New Year, right? It is middle of March, so it's been a while for us and we're quite excited about this weekend because we're in Slinfold camping, caravan and motorhome club site. Almost got it wrong. We've been here a couple of times before and it is a little quaint campsite right on the edge of the Downs Link Way.
North Downs, is it? Or
South Downs, something like that, in West Sussex. And in fact, the path is just there. I could see it. I could see people walking along it. We brought our bikes so we can go a bit further afield and we'll take you along for the ride. So stick around and stay tuned. Well, before we head out, this is the campsite, so that's the very end of it. There's the Link Way just over there, and as I pan round, the campsite is like a triangle. It's very narrow at that end and gets wider as we go down. Or is it the other way around? I forget now, but but in that direction is the reception, which we'll be going to next. There is no facilities here, so no toilet and shower, you have to bring your own. But there is water and emptying points.
And electrics.
Oh yeah, and electric. Here we have the main facility block. This is where you can empty, there's a hole there, you can empty your motorhome grey waste, and of course you can just fill up here. It's the motorhome service point, that's what I wanted. And got some recycling as well. Main entrance. And reception with an information hut. Right, we're on the Downs Link now. You can see Herman through there on the campsite. In that direction is Guildford. In that direction is Shoreham-on-Sea. We are going to go in that direction. Just come across this double bridge. So there's one just there, look, and then the railway actually, and the path that we're on, goes across the top there. Victorian engineering, that is. So the lower bridge was built out of brick, as you can see, but the inspectors realised that the climb northwards towards the next station was too steep for the train, so they had to build a second bridge on top of the one they'd already built. Well, we have stopped for a tea break. We are currently at the milk churn, which I think they do their own cheese, and their speciality is cheese on toast with condiments, all that kind of thing. We've ordered 2 double cheese on toasts with red onion marmalade. Yeah. So and they've got a shop here, so you can buy like
chunks of cheese.
Huge chunks of cheese for about 12 quid, wasn't it?
I think it was. And pickles and things.
Yeah, so might have a look around that later. And then right nearby is a brewery, and we're going to be popping in there as well, I think.
Not much cycling going on.
No, but we're limited on. In fact, we're limited on the amount of we can take back to Herman. So we may have to drive back here tomorrow.
Oh.
And as if by magic, our cheese on toast arrives. That looks very
naughty.
Yeah, very naughty. Let's have a little taste.
That's nice.
Oh wow. That's very good. Very good cheese on toast. Right, we're in the Firebird Brewery right now, their shop, and they have a huge selection. They have this 2 or 1 litre bottles They look amazing. Or you've got the traditional 5 litre can there. Or if you want to go and have a huge party, what about the 30 litre or the 72 litre? Amazing. Right, next to the shop is the brewery itself, of course, and they have a huge selection of beers. But up on here, where we are now, they have a bar. Now, how cool is that? Now, it would be very rude not to try a few of their drinks. So I've got a platter here, just trying 3 of their probably 10 different drinks, and Zoe has a alcohol-free ginger beer. So all of that, so it's essentially 4 drinks, £7.50. That platter there was £5.
Oh, that's not bad, is it?
And then there's just that, yeah.
So is that pints?
That's basically a pint
Okay.
for £5. If you think of it like that, it's quite expensive. Right, as you can see, we are back in Herman. It has just gone 6 o'clock, and we've booked a table at the local pub, the Red Lion, I think it is.
Yes.
It's only like a 15-minute walk, probably not even that. So that's what we're going to be doing. Now, what do you think of the day? I've had a quite nice day.
I've really enjoyed today.
Yeah,
I think it's because I thought it was going to be wet and dreary, and then it was really beautiful weather, wasn't it?
Yeah.
And then I thought, well, we'll just go for a cycle ride.
Mm-hmm.
And I wasn't expecting much. And because we went to have to the coffee shop, didn't we? And then we went to the brewery.
Yeah, kind of made a whole day of it, didn't it?
Yeah, so it was quite relaxing.
Very nice.
So we did about, 14 miles, didn't
Yeah.
we?
We went in both directions
on and
eventually. Now, a weekend away would not be a weekend away without me forgetting something. Now,
You've just mentioned we're going to the pub.
hold on. Don't tell them. Have a guess. Put a comment in the comment. Put your guess in the comment section about what you think I've forgotten this time. And no, it's not my shaver.
And it's you brought everything for the bike, so you did
bought
well
everything.
there.
That's it. Put it in a comment, and we'll tell you when we get to the pub, which in your time will probably be about 30 seconds. So quick, put that comment in, or pause it. Right, to the pub. Right, we have arrived at the pub, the Red Lion, and we've ordered. A bit disappointing. The pie is at end of. They run out of the pie. Don't even know what the pie was, but no more pie, which is what I was looking for.
Schnitzel.
And there was a chicken schnitzel burger. And I thought, oh, that sounds good, because you know what I'm like with schnitzel. But no, they haven't got one of them. So we're going for the normal burger, handmade 8-ounce burger. Hopefully that would.
Because we didn't fancy anything else on the menu, did we?
Didn't fancy anything else.
It was all a bit posh.
But now you might be wondering, what I forgot? I forgot. Drum roll. I forgot the torches. So,
Which is a bit difficult when you're going down a narrow, dark lane.
with any luck, the moon is out. With any luck, it won't go cloudy when we go back. So we'll be able to find our way back home. Or back home? Back to the motorhome. Back to Herman. Look at that ceiling. There's a tree coming out of the roof there, all lit up. Well, our burgers have arrived. Check this out. Look at that. Nice, huge burger here. And some gherkins. Don't normally see gherkins, only from McDonald's. And a nice pile of chips. So we're going to tuck into said burger, and we'll let you know how we get on. Well, there you go. Demolish that. I wore most of it though. I have to have a shower now, I think. It's got everywhere because it's like really thick burger with all with everything in it, you know. What did you think of that?
That was very good. Very good indeed, as
Very
you can
good.
see by the plates.
Yeah, I don't think you like that though.
Well, there was some nice touches, wasn't there? I mean, having gherkins,
Yeah.
a nice fresh tomato and lettuce. It was all very tasty.
Very good. It's just a shame it wasn't a chicken schnitzel burger or pie, but it was very good. Well, you know, the dessert menu came out and I had to order. And I ordered something that I've not had for quite a while, and that is rice pudding. Take a look at that. Oh. Very good. Right, I'm going to tuck into this now. Well, we're heading home now. The weather has turned quite miserable, so we're not going to be doing any cycling or walking. Now, what I want to show you though is the entrance to this campsite, Slinfold, because some people might think it's too narrow for their own van. So we're going to show you that on the way out. Yeah, so we had to walk along this path, this track last night in the dark. But
somebody forgot the torches.
But the moonlight did help us. We didn't have to use our phones or anything. So as you can see, it's not that narrow. But when you come in the dark, and when we arrived Friday, it was really only 6:30, wasn't it? 7 o'clock.
Yep.
And of course, it was pitch black by then.
Yes.
So this was quite dark and boding, I suppose.
And it feels like you come along this lane and there's nothing at the end, doesn't it? It's kind of tucked away.
It just says there's no signs for the campsite.
Up here.
It just maybe they've been brought down, so I don't know. But
so this is Spring Lane, isn't it?
yeah, this is the entrance that you.
And there's a bus stop just there, so that's quite handy if you want to go out.
Never saw that earlier.
And then down there is where the pub is, isn't it? The church.
Yeah, but you'll head into Slinfold and then turn right down into Spring Lane, like your sat nav is probably going to take you. But there's nothing to worry about because it's narrow, but it's okay for motorhomes and whatever.
Yes.
I guess a larger motorhome, a longer motorhome or caravan might have a problem negotiating at the end, but it should be all right. Anyway, that's going to be it now. We're going to be heading home. So if you do like the video, just give it a thumbs up and subscribe if you feel like it.
Because it's free.
Anyway,
Ta-ta!
see you soon in the next one. Bye-bye now.